This video guide is about removing pop-up notifications and intrusive ads that are related to the website Etingeffort.xyz. Etingeffort.xyz. This website is extremely deceptive. It tries to make people click on the special allow button integrated into the website. But clicking on allow button is obviously a very serious problem, because after that the browser gets hijacked and infected. Pretty soon people may be forwarded to some other malicious or shady content, and they start getting a lot of excessive advertisements that will be shown primarily in the right bottom section of the computer screen. So, if you see these ads and if you are not happy with these ads popping up, you should definitely deactivate them. Access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings, then in Permissions select Notifications. Pay attention to the list of the websites that are allowed to send notifications. You may find some decent sites here, so no need to touch them, but if you find this Etingeffort.xyz, definitely remove it from this list. And if you see some other deceptive sites like that, get rid of them too. Finally, to make sure that your system is free of any other concealed infections like adware, consider scanning it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may download on the official resource combocleaner.com. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So, after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.